This looks like crap because I don't have a PC case yet, but I just put together my current build. The RTX 3060 Ti that I've had for a few years is now paired with an i3 14th gen CPU. Just got the CPU like maybe like 5 days ago, 6 days ago, and an hour ago I got the motherboard that should work with the 14th gen out of the box. I'm worried it's not going to. All right, this might power on or not. I'm going to have to figure out where the power is. I hear buzzing sound, so that's good. I see no lights, so that's also good. Yeah, I don't know where. Fuck, it's probably in a really shitty fucking spot. Yeah, it's probably underneath the fucking GPU. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Well, I'm gonna try to play with it. I doubt I'll be able to, man. I'm worried. Try not to bend anything. Because if you guys don't have, a normal power button, you can bypass that by hitting either a screwdriver, just something that's metal that will trigger it. Or maybe this is it. I have no idea. Oh, yay! 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 That's the one! Please, 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 please. Nothing's coming up. Okay, turned on again. Okay. 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 There is no... Oh my fuck. Oh my gosh. Guys. I'm getting better at building computers. Let's fucking go. Oh my gosh. Your pin is no longer available due to a change in the security. Yep. I was worried about that. Wow, voice crack. Look at that, baby. Now I know that this motherboard out of the box, or maybe whoever owned it updated the BIOS, that, it supports 14th series. Intel I's, I'll call them the I's because, Intel rebranded their current CPUs to Ultra cores and shit. They're so stupid. Awesome. I'm happy. Fuck yeah, I cannot believe I did this. Wow. And I got the AIO cooler. Used Arctic MX7. It came with the i3 CPU, so I'm like, I'll make that work, baby. Fuck yeah. Let's turn this on. Get all the cooling in the world. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't know if this was kind of educational, but I like to build computers on my spare time, and when I have money to put into better hardware, I love to build computers. And I just did this in like 20 minutes and it booted, no problems. So I still have to go into the BIOS and natively set the DDR4 speed to 3200 megahertz. And yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching.